Solution Fun City was officially opened to the public on the 28th of June 2025 and has commenced operations. So in this video, I will be taking you through the exciting activities you can carry out in the park. Everything you just watched and more are happening in Solution Fun City. You will see all the facilities in action in this video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. This is what the Family Fun Center looks like once you step inside. And this is the ticketing area. Here is the price list for all the facilities. The gate fee is 2,000 naira. Over here, we have Lucy Cali's. It is a restaurant where you can buy different types of food and drinks. Next to it is Jazzy's. It is where you can buy different types of snacks. These large screens are used to display interesting moments in the Solution Fun City. You can also advertise your businesses with them. This hallway leads to the bowling alley on the left and the Family Entertainment Center on the right. Let's check out some of the games in the Family Entertainment Center. This is the bowling alley. The ticket price is 6,000 naira per person per game. This is the lounge in the Family Entertainment Center. We have another spot here where you can buy snacks and drinks. This place also serves as the entrance to the cinemas. This is the first cinema. It is also the largest among the 3 cinemas. The capacity is about 120. The ticket price for the cinemas is 5,000 naira per person. This payment grants you access to movie viewing, popcorn and a drink. This is the second cinema. The capacity is about 57. And this is the third cinema. The capacity is about 57 as well. Let us proceed to the amusement park rides. This is the roller coaster. The ticket price is 3,000 naira. Small children are not allowed on the roller coaster. Let me take you on the roller coaster ride so you will see what it feels like for yourself. This is the drop tower. The ticket price is 3,000 naira. People with health challenges are advised not to ride it because it is intense. This is the merry-go-round. It is one of the suitable rides for children. The ticket price is 1,000 naira. This is the pirate's ship. The ticket price is 1,500 naira. This is the Ferris Wheel. The ticket price is 1,500 naira. Let me take you on the ride so you will see what it feels like from the inside. I checked my time so I can calculate how long it will take for the Ferris wheel to make a full revolution. Hello guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, do well to click the like button as it helps the YouTube algorithm to promote the video further. Also ensure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more amazing contents to come. We are at the top of the Ferris wheel at this point. This is the view of Solution Fun City from the top. So we just made it back down at this point. From my calculation, it takes about 7 minutes for the Ferris wheel to make one full revolution. This is the paintball arena, but people were just having fun there on this particular day. This is the children playground. Children can have fun here for free. This is the bumper cars. The ticket price is 1,500 naira. This is the Waterpark. The ticket price is 20,000 naira for adults, 15,000 naira for 6 to 15 years, and free for children under 6 years. This payment grants you unlimited access to all the waterpark facilities throughout the day. Let us get a closer look at the various facilities in the waterpark. This is the Aqua Tower. It is a paradise for the children. This is the relaxation area for the Aqua Tower. All the facilities in the water park have a relaxation area. This is the main water slides. This is the wave pool. There is a machine that creates waves in the water, which gives you the feeling like you are in a beach. This is the activity pool. This is the main swimming pool. The entire pool has a uniform depth. These are the cabanas. This is what Solution Fun City looks like at night. So what do you think about Solution Fun City and the facilities? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to click the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more amazing content to come. See you when I post again.